Data 360, the user access is determined by permission sets assigned to that user. Based on those permission sets, a user has visibility to data cloud features. So we have four different permission sets within Data 360 which you can assign to a particular user. We have Data Cloud Architect, we have Data Cloud Activation Manager, we have Data Cloud Activation Specialist, and we have Data Cloud User as four different permission sets. When you want to make somebody a Data Cloud admin who can create data streams, can map those data streams and data lake objects to data model objects, can work on segmentation, can work on activations, can create data actions, can query the data, write calculated insights, work on data transform, data graphs, anything. We have to assign Data Cloud Architect permission set to that particular user. Then we have Data Cloud Activation Specialist. This user permission is assigned to such users who develop segmentation and activation strategies, who has access to data activation targets. You can use segmentation feature within Salesforce Data Cloud to segment the data. In Data Cloud, we have objects coming from Salesforce systems and from external systems. Data Cloud helps you create segment on these objects, a single place where objects from various systems are present can be utilized for segmentation. And once you define a segmentation strategy, you can activate that data as well. You can work with data activation targets. For example, if you have to activate a segmented data to Salesforce Marketing Cloud or to Salesforce Commerce Cloud, you can do with Salesforce Data 360 activation targets and Data 360 activations. So a person who is going to develop this segmentation and activation strategies can be a Data Cloud Activation Manager. Then we have Data Cloud Activation Specialist who can create segmentations and activate the data, but he is not having access to activation targets. That means a Data Cloud Architect or a Data Cloud Activation Manager should be creating activation targets, the targets where you want to activate the segmented data from the data cloud. But that specialist, the Data Cloud Activation Specialist, is not having access to data activation targets, but he still can go and create segments and activations if activation targets are available. And the fourth is Data Cloud User. This particular user can just view the data within the data cloud, can't manipulate that data, can't create any data streams, any segments. This user is capable to just view the configurations we have designed within the Salesforce Data 360 platform. You should have access to Salesforce setup in order to assign permissions to a particular user. If you want to have Salesforce setup, you should have necessary permissions or you should be a system administrator within Salesforce platform. If you are a system administrator within a Salesforce platform, you can easily create permissions and assign permissions to those users whom you want to give data 360 access.